Hi there folks, Colin Tyler here at Woodridge Ford, and we're going to just do a quick short video for you today looking at the dial gear shift in most new Ford Edges, Escapes, and even a couple Mustangs now. Now, if you're like me who's used to the stick, this seemed a bit of a strange choice, and I know there's a lot of you out there saying, I'm not going to a dial, this isn't my thing. But, you know, after looking into it a bit, it's won me over. One of the main reasons for that is it actually gives you quite a lot of protection. Now, one of the big things is it helps protect your transmission. As you saw, I just threw this into drive. Now, usually what you're about to see, if you drive anything other than a Ford, you're probably gonna think, what the hell is he doing? Because I'm gonna shut off the car while it's in drive. Now, hopefully our camera can see this. You're actually gonna see the knob move. So even though I turned it off, the vehicle does a really good job at protecting its transmission by automatically switching it to park. And this isn't the only thing it does. So we're gonna switch it back now to drive. And it's happened to myself. I know it's happened to some friends of mine. You got 100 things on the go. You're not thinking correctly. Maybe you've reversed, so we're in reverse right now. Maybe you didn't turn it fully. Heck, even if you're in neutral, you're pulling set and your mind's somewhere else, you go to get out, vehicle is gonna automatically turn to park for you. So there, no worry. You see the little bit of a movement, but you're safe. Your vehicle isn't rolling downhill. You're in a good place. So hopefully this has been a bit enlightening. One last little thing we're gonna show you here is if you want to get away from just doing the dial, maybe you want to take it into standard or sport, nice easy button, one click, and you can use your little flappy paddles here to change your gears on you. Nice standard, fun in the Edge, fun in the Escape. It's a good thing. Again, any more questions, number's 403-253-2211, woodridgeford.com online. Come see us today.